Alright, morning everybody. I'm outside, it's fall, I'm up north for Thanksgiving. I want to play new toys! Well, I mean everyone does these, right? So might as well give it a whirl. So I've already opened it to make sure that what I thought I was getting is what I got. And I did get what I thought I was getting. With my, nothing like a steak knife to open everything. Bubble wrap, because that's awesome. And because I use this in like pretty much all my videos, I got the new GoPro Hero 7 with, as I say, hyper smooth. Because a lot of my stuff, as you know, if you watch any of my other videos, is out on sea-doos or going for hikes and stuff like that, and this footage can get a bit shaky. So they're staying with this model is that its built-in stabilization is almost as good as having your own gimbal. Now, I didn't believe it because, let's be honest, how is that even possible? Technology though, right? So I watched a couple of these videos and it was really good, so I figured why not pull the trigger on it. So I've been using Hero 5s for pretty much all my videos, and the audio quality is not the best, and like I said, the stabilization is not there. So if this can stabilize as well as it says it can, then I'm gonna say it's well worth it. Because the problem is with when I use the gimbal, you can't use any of the audio out of it because you hear the gimbal noise and it's like a buzzing noise and stuff. So, I mean, you can see all the things you get, right? Your classic GoPro accessories. Although that's not the accessories, that's just what it can do. This would be the accessories. Which, I mean, oh, look at that now. You've made for iPhone. Apple is everywhere. Alright, let's try to figure this thing out. There's an arrow here. Oh, look at that. They even give you a satisfying peeling thing. Maybe you don't even need a knife. I'm going to put this down. Stab myself with it. Like that. Ta-da. And tons of excess packaging. Gone. This is it. Fancy, it says black on it. With a turtle. Alright. Instructions to remove. Camera. Ah, it's nice. It's not that heavy. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be. So there's the camera. Nice. Good weight to it. It actually looks black. Oh, there, like the Hero 5 black was gray. Case is tight. So, there it is right there. There's a case. More of a rubberized around it. Good texture though. It feels alright. Alright. Pro. So in it you get, let's see, warranty, whatever. Yeah, your classic stickers. My gosh, look at this! Look at the thickness of this book. Important product and safety instructions. Red. Open it. Battery. Cables. Good stuff. More cables. And 2 mounts. One flat, one curved. So flat, curved. Good enough. Everything else empty. So really, not that much. Like so you get 2 mounts, a battery, the cable, and the camera. Not bad, not bad. Well, that's it for unboxing it. I'm gonna do, hopefully, it's raining up here right now. Not the best of weather, but it is Thanksgiving in Canada. What can you do? It's beautiful though. I mean, I hope I can get out and shoot. So I want to get some video of this, see if it's really true about the no gimbal. If it is, this is the camera. And so far, from everything I've seen, this is the camera. So we'll give it a whirl, see what we have, check back in. I'll probably post a few more videos about it and give you my full review later on. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you liked it. Click like and subscribe and all that stuff, and come back and see what I think of it once I actually can use it, hopefully soon. Talk to you then.